Hey UCI students, my name is Chris Anderson. I'm the owner of Student Services. We do A+ home services like gutter cleaning, window cleaning, solar panel cleaning, and Christmas lights. We found a tremendously good niche in the 55+ communities in the Sacramento, California area. Effectively, I started the business 7 years ago to pay my way through college from community college. I graduated from UC Santa Barbara, ultimately doing home services for elderly folks. Through that process, I kind of learned about the home services industry, found out there's tremendous opportunity. We're kind of doing a sweaty startup, you can almost call it. One of the opportunities that I see is that I think home services is a field that's ripe for professionalism and the use of data and technology. Cue you guys. So we've been working on a project internally for the last about a year and a half to approach a very innovative way to acquire customers in our case. And that's using machine learning to identify certain properties that contain certain physical characteristics, certain objects that we can detect that can indicate that that customer has a likelihood of hiring us for a certain service or has a high lifetime value, etc. It's just characteristics that make them a strong customer. I.e., a simple way to put it is: do they have solar panels on the roof? If yes, then they might need solar panel cleaning. Do they have a pool in the backyard? If yes, they need pool cleaning. Funny I mentioned those two examples. Those are the two exact examples that we're using so far through the project. For the last year, we've worked with an intern from UC Davis, who's since been hired on to kind of lead this project. So you guys might be able to touch base with her at some point of this project as well. I'm going to try to show a little image, but I have to turn around my phone, so don't judge me. But hopefully you guys can see the solar panels on the roof, where we're trying to take a bird's eye view image of the roof and detect certain objects, certain physical things. In this case, solar panels. Some cases, pools. And this project, we're focusing on trees. So you can notice that the occurrence of trees is a great indicator of, especially the occurrence of trees in proximity to gutters, is a great indicator of a home that might need gutter cleaning. Because if there's a tree near a house that's going to drop its leaves and those leaves are going to fall in the gutter, then that property is going to end up needing their gutters cleaned. So this is a really cool, innovative approach that we're using to acquire addresses that contain these characteristics that make them more likely to hire us for this given service. And we just perceive them more as being more valuable. So really cool project. Been working on it for about a year. We've proven it out with solar panels and pools, so we've been able to successfully acquire about 10,000 addresses with those characteristics, and now we're looking to extend or create a new machine learning model, a multi-factor one, I think it's what it's called, not the technical expert here, to identify trees that are in a certain proximity of a house that might drop its leaves into that gutter, for instance. So detecting a tree within a certain distance of a house is really the whole goal of this project, this given quarter. So what you guys would mainly be doing is kind of like building the foundation of this project, meaning we're going to take those bird's eye view images, label them, and kind of build out a pipeline of images to be able to train the model to detect which addresses might need or have a service for gutter cleaning is pretty much the use case of this object detection machine learning project.